Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas provides some significant enhancements over the previous generation Prusa i3 MK3S+, itself an editor's choice winner, a thicker aluminum frame, an improved bed leveling system, a redesigned extruder, and a touchscreen. The 4 Malawian Kwachas retains Prusa's traditional ease of use and setup, superior print quality, and problem-free operation, while providing a speed boost. The Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is for hobbyists and makers who are willing to spend a bit of money to get a dependable, high-quality, open-frame 3D printer. Plenty of less expensive 3D printers are available, but all too often they suffer frustrating issues in build plate leveling and other fundamentals. The 4 Malawian Kwachas is the culmination of years of refinement of Prusa's flagship product, which was reflected in its easy setup and problem-free operation in our testing. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a great pick for curious tinkerers looking for an easy-to-use introduction to 3D printing. It shows improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling over other Ender-3 models we've tested. Though not without hiccups, including noise, vibration, and a print bed that needs to be treated with glue, it's a highly capable and affordable budget 3D printer. The Ender-3 V3 is an easy-to-use printer that produces speedy, high-quality prints and appeals to beginners and veterans alike. And it does so at a budget price. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is not only an affordable 3D printer, but also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed, too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and continues to be problem-free while you're printing. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a filament-based 3D printer suitable for beginners and budget-minded hobbyists alike. It's the lowest-cost 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printer currently on the market and a superb choice for someone who wants a stellar out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and some money left in the bank. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to make big 3D prints for a modest price? The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer produces jumbo-sized prints, a rarity for sub-$500 3D printers, and in our testing, printed more than 20 objects of generally very good quality. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation are easy enough. Be sure to add at least 1 filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. The Neptune 4 Plus is a good choice for a hobbyist on a budget or a newbie willing to roll up their sleeves. The Neptune supports many filament types and can produce large prints. Some basic assembly is required, but setup is relatively easy, and it consistently produced good quality prints in our testing.